Et le mec joue en épique. Le collègue, on like to see you win. They wanna see you win.
The marine cone snail is a very interesting snail. The way that it uses its toxins they are used as acids and they're used as weapons. The cone snail uses its tail as its weapon for hunting prey. The tail contains a needle inside of it that consists of the poison. To be more specific, the toxins inside of the needle are known as conotoxins. Conotoxins are a play on words because of the name marine cone snails. Marine cone snails' amino acids break down the ligands that are within the prey to be able to kill them.
The marine cone snail amino acid creates a different formula each time it's produced. They produce conotoxins. The conotoxins in the snails are lingered in order to connect the organism's channel pathways. After binding to the receptors, it disables the organism's ion channels. This is what allows the conotoxins to enter and the disordered connection causes the organism's nervous system to quit.
If the correct mechanism occurs, then many different chemicals will be released. Right when action potential arrives between the muscle and the nerve cells, acetylcholine is released. After it's released, the chemical binds to sonchlorelemma receptors, which leads to sodium ions being released into the muscle cell. Next, the calcium ions are released into the muscle cell as well. Lastly, potassium channels open and potassium ions are ejected from the cell.
Although there is a correct mechanism, there is also a faulty mechanism. This is when something goes wrong and the conotoxins gain access to that organism's ion channel. This causes the calcium channels to be blocked and it disrupts pain signals sent to an organism. Paralysis may occur as well, either exertoshock, which causes all muscles to contract, or flaccid paralysis, which makes all the muscles unable to contract. Today, researchers are looking into the conotoxins. They want to find medicinal uses and they also prescribe the medicine to cancer patients for pain.